Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How to eat beans regularly without bloating. Beans can cause bloating and other digestive discomforts, but with proper preparation and techniques, the nutritional benefits of beans can be enjoyed without the uncomfortable side effects. Key tips include: 1. Soak and rinse beans before cooking to remove gas-causing compounds. 2. Stay hydrated when eating high-fiber foods like beans. 3. Gradually increase bean intake to allow your gut to adjust. 4. Consider using digestive enzymes like Beano to break down complex carbs. 5. Ensure beans are cooked thoroughly to reduce lectins that can cause digestive issues. Beans contain oligosaccharides that humans can't fully digest, leading to fermentation and gas production in the colon, causing bloating. However, the benefits of beans include supporting gut health, lowering cholesterol, and providing essential nutrients. Incorporating beans into a healthy diet is worthwhile despite the potential digestive discomforts. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak